Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to check if a link is safe. Friends, sometimes we receive a link for which source of that link is not very reliable. So it will be better to verify it before opening. So to verify the link, you need to open web browser. In web browser, you need to search link checker. Now in the search result, you will find NordVPN on the first position. Open this website. Now you can simply paste the link or you can type it. Just for testing, I am typing a website URL. After entering the URL, you need to press on analyze. Now here it will give its report. As you can see, it shows no sign of any malicious activity. So friends, like this you can very easily paste a link to verify in this website. You can try other websites also to get more surety before opening any suspicious link. So friends, like this you can very easily check if a link is safe to open. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.